Hi friends, Chef Lee here. Braised beef shank is very popular in Asian cuisine, and I literally have to beg my dad for his recipe. As a child, this is also one of my favorite things to eat. Start by cleaning out some of the silver skin off the beef shank. Not everything, but just the ones that are really thick on top. Also, an overview of all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. To make the stock, first I'll start cutting some ginger and onion. So with some water in the pot, let's add ginger, green onion, star anise, lychee, I hope I pronounced that right, Astragalus, and a few cloves. I also added garlic and some 5-spice seasoning, regular soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Regular soy sauce gives its flavor, and dark soy sauce just for coloring. Almost forgot cinnamon sticks. So I'm adding the beef shank into a cold pot of water, right? And then I'm just gonna heat this up to skim out some of the blood. Add some rice wine to take out some of that gamey flavor. Make sure that we use cold water to start, not dump our meat into a hot water. The meat will quickly shrink up if adding to really hot water and form a seal and prevent the blood from slowly drawing out. After we transfer the meat into the stock pot, put the lids on and let this go about 2.5 hours on medium to low heat. So there's a secret to making this beef shank more tasty. That is, make the broth into a master stock. This is also a very common practice in a professional kitchen where they're just gonna let this soup continue on a low boil and without turning the heat down. Bring out that dense flavor from the soup as you cook it more and more. So 2.5 hours later, the beef is done. And usually we serve it cold. So here I am trying to make this dish a little more presentable. I use some plastic wrapper, just gently apply pressure, kind of shape it around. You know, you have to do this when it's warm. Just give it this a little twist and form a knot on each side. Sorry about the red fingers actually. I was cutting some beets and you know, I do make a lot of dishes in my kitchen, and also I make a lot of mistakes as well. So if you're new to cooking or new to my channel, avoid this type of mistake. Always wear a glove when handling something like a beetroot because it can't really color up your fingers. So after let this chill for about a couple hours in the fridge, we're ready for plating. If this is your first time here, I'm Chef Lee. This channel is all about cooking techniques, ingredients, and learning how to cook like a pro at home. If you are interested in any of the topics I just mentioned, be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my future content. Place in some green onion, Thai chili, cilantro leaves or coriander leaves, toasted sesame seeds, fried garlic chips, adding some broth back to the plate, and pour some hot sesame oil on top to bring out more of the flavor. And, our braised beef shank is ready to serve.
Hi, Chef Lee here. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about the video. If you have any questions and feedback regarding this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.